Hi friends, this video we are going to discuss about elastic search. Before moving to deeper, just I need to explain what is the purpose of elastic search in RPA. Previously we had a requirement, we worked in one of the RPA projects and the client has some requirement. Client had more than 5 terabytes of data. So we have to access those data without using any of the client databases. Actually, client doesn't want to use their database. So actually, instead of database, they want to accept, they are planning to take third party as Elasticsearch. So we need to fetch the data from Elasticsearch to our project. So this is the requirement. Client has some SQLite database in production. The SQLite database, they have 5 to 10 terabytes of data, and client doesn't want to access their data directly due to some security issues. So in that case, we used as Elasticsearch as a big data concept of the third party tool, and we are fetching those data. Simply we are creating like queries like SQL, and we are fetching those data, and we are using those data into our RPA tool. So this is what the purpose of Elasticsearch. The Elasticsearch is nothing about, if you have logging dashboard, you can use with Elasticsearch. Suppose client has some requirements, they want each and every exceptions, maybe business exception, technical exception, and log exception. If every exception they want to see as a dashboard, maybe in RPA we have 10 or 20 bots has to be run. All the 10 bots, what are all the exception has been happened, how the exception has to be bubbling, and what are all the exceptions need to be resolved, how much exceptions, how much errors happened for all the 10 bots within their process. So these all are the analytics dashboard we can use with we can check through Elasticsearch. And the main thing is big data. Elasticsearch, it's only used for big data analytics. So what do you mean by big data? Big data is nothing like that. If you have 100 terabytes or 200 terabytes of data, and you want to query it up and you want to get it up some data to the particular 100 terabytes, you want to check some particular values, you can easily query it and you can easily get it those data. Instead of taking much time, it will take very lesser time. So Elasticsearch, usually we are using RPA for the big data analytics purpose. And one more main thing in this Elasticsearch is it's available in cloud. So that's what, it's very easy to achieve those quick data analysis. And one more thing available in Elasticsearch is Elasticsearch. Using Elasticsearch, we can create a RESTful web services or RESTful web API services. So we can call API services from your robotics tool to Elasticsearch, and you can get the values or use cases for your growing data. In that case, it centrally stores your data so you can discover and expect and uncover and unexpected. So what about these details? So Elasticsearch internally it using as a stack database, and that state database will work very simply in cloud as expected by the client. See, when we talk about Elasticsearch, usually it will helpful in RPA and machine learning merging applications. Suppose we are using some RPA applications, for example, income tax. So in that case, in income tax department, they have one requirement in our previous project. They want to, they had more than 1 lakh pages in income tax file, ID file. So they want to search a particular keyword, for example, one name, uh, grievance, or else any of the particular word they want to search. So in that case, they don't want to seek each and every page. That word is, for example, the name of the particular person. They don't want to go and check each and every page. Instead of that, they want to go with the machine learning. In that area, we suggested them RPA with machine learning in using with Elasticsearch. In machine learning, we are recommended as a Python Anaconda, and we are comparatively integrated with Elasticsearch. So these querying and all, Elasticsearch will give you the exact value. So which page contains this name? Maybe it will go to all the 1 lakh records. It has to search to the particular person name, and it will give you this is the page on 98,900 page. It's available for the particular name. You can see it on it. So these type of machine learning with RPA analytics, the big data of the Elasticsearch is very much needful in the current scenarios. So it will reduce time, and it will give you the more accuracy, and it will give you the performance. Comparing to SQL or else Oracle or else your SQLite databases, Elasticsearch is very sharply, and performance tuning is very good. If you see SQL, that is in summary of query, it's sometimes taking much time, but Elasticsearch always taking lesser time. And what are the main benefits? If you see the benefits, developer friendly API, you can get the real time analytics and data indexing. It is very important, the data indexing part. Because of data indexing, it will go it will even though it will go to all the 1 lakh records or the 1 lakh pages, it definitely it will take, this is the 95,001 page. In this page, the particular record is available. So exact index matching is available in Elasticsearch. And full text search, suppose you want to giving the particular name, person name, it will give you the full text search. That is one of the machine learning concept added in Elasticsearch. And one more thing is resilient clusters. So when you see clustering, that is very important thing for big data. Elasticsearch is completely integrated with resilient clusters, and API is very good. You can use this API and get the data. As well, you can leverage whatever data you want through the visitor document. And one more thing, even if you are using with Elasticsearch, you can adopt through your GitHub code. So GitHub is using Elasticsearch internally for RDBMS kind of things. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this, and we can meet some new ideas with next video. Thank you.